안녕하세요 여러분, Camilla here. Today I will be talking about how you can say to look forward to in Korean. 기대하다 can be used to say hope for or look forward to something. For example, 우리의 성공을 기대합니다 means I hope for our success. If you are looking forward to an upcoming trip, you can say 나는 이번 여행을 기대하고 있습니다. If you want to say I look forward to it, you can say 기대하겠습니다. You can also use the verb 고대하다. For example, for I look forward to seeing you again. You can say 다시 만나기를 고대합니다. Or 다시 만나기를 기대합니다. Both have the same meaning. What are you looking forward to this week? Let us know in the comments below. See you again. Bye!